Hey there, welcome back. In this tutorial, we're going to learn about the chorus effect. Chorus is a time-based effect that's part of the delay family. In this tutorial, we'll be learning what chorus is, when to use it, and how to work the controls on a chorus plugin. We'll also test it out on a track to see what kind of difference it makes. Chorus is similar to delay doubling. It simulates the sound of a group of singers or instruments performing in unison. The delay times are a bit shorter, the modulation wider and faster, and there may be some feedback to thicken the sound. Chorus is a popular effect for synthesizers, clean electric guitar, and fretless bass. Chorus gives you a wavy or shimmering effect. In a chorus, you set your delay time from 10 to 35 milliseconds, and the delay varies at a slow rate. Sweeping the delay time causes the signal to bend up and down in pitch, or detune a little, so when you combine the detuned signal with the original, you get the chorusing effect. A stereo chorus combines a delayed signal with a dry signal in one channel in the same polarity. In the other channel, the delayed signal is inverted in polarity, so there's no phase cancellation. Then it's combined with the original signal. This is a popular way to widen and fatten a sound. Chorus sometimes doesn't sound authentic. If you really need to fatten up a lead part, you'd be better off using a little chorus and trying to just double the takes instead. Let's check out Cubase's Studio Chorus plugin. It's a two-stage chorus effect which adds short delays to the signal and pitch modulates the delayed signals to produce a doubling effect. The two separate stages of chorus modulation are completely independent and are produced serially or cascaded one at a time. Let's go through the parameters of the interface. Using the rate knob, you set the sweep rate. If you activate tempo sync, you can specify the bass note value for tempo syncing the chorus sweep. We have the same options of note values, dotted, triple, straight rhythm. The width determines the depth of the chorus effect. Higher settings produce a more pronounced effect. With the spatial knob, you set the stereo width of the effect. You turn it clockwise for a wider stereo effect. Use the mix knob to set the level balance between the dry and wet signals. The delay knob affects the frequency range of the modulation sweep, but adjusts the initial delay time. The shape knob lets you change the shape of the modulating waveform, altering the character of the chorus sweep. Sine and triangle waveforms are available also. The low and high filters let you roll off low and high frequencies of the effect signal. Okay, let's check it out in action. Let's load a preset. I'm going to be applying this plugin to a strings track, so let me just scroll through here. I want to find something that looks appropriate for that. To me, the strings seem a little bit heavy and kind of artificial, so I'm looking for something to give a little air. This one sounds just right, chorus light and wide. Let's try that preset. Double-click to load it in. The sweep rate, 0.54. That's a pretty low level. The width is 5. This means that our affected signal is going to come out the opposite end of the stereo image, and 100% of it will be available. The delay time is also pretty short, and that's so that it doesn't give us an echo. The low and high filter are active, rolling off some of the low mids that give it some boominess and keeping a lot of air at the top. The numbers here tell me that this effect should indeed spread out my strings a bit and lighten them up. Let's go ahead and have a listen. Let's just drag the plugin interface out of the way, solo the track, and we'll play it both with and without the effect. Now bypass the effect. The effect is subtle but noticeable. It gave us a spacey waviness that we lose when it's bypassed. Without the effect, it's more focused in sound. And this concludes our tutorial about working with chorus. In our next tutorial, we will be learning about preparing your final mixdown before mastering.